Good morning, guys. It's 7:20 and the girls are back there watching little Barney. I want to show you what I'm eating today along with what they're eating because I get a lot of you guys asking to do what I eat in a day for the girls. So I figured in these videos now I'll just show what I eat and what they eat, and that way you can get ideas for both. So I just heated up some old coffee. I made this yesterday and then Andrew wanted to get some Starbucks, so we went out and got Starbucks and I had a whole pot of coffee. So I'm having this, and then the girls are having a granola bar. A lot of the time after they have their bottle in the morning, they have about 6 ounces of milk in the morning. I give them just some little snack to tide them over to breakfast. So granola bar, little fruit snacks. I have these from Plum Organics, these fruit snacks that I love. I buy them in bulk on Amazon. So I'll list those with a couple granola bar options that they really like too. But let me show you. I just break it up into little pieces and they really like it. They didn't like it at first. It took them a little bit to get used to it, but it's super nice to bring granola bars with you if you're on the go because it's just easy, and I feel like it fills them up for a little bit too. You guys look pretty cute. Hi. Do you like your granola bar? Can you say bar? Bar. Yummy? Yummy bar? We gotta clean up in here. Ooh, messy. And I also have been putting collagen in my coffee. I mentioned it in one of my last videos about self-care. I get this from Vitacost and you can mix it into any liquid. You can also put it in yogurt, and I just love it. It has definitely helped smooth out my skin. My forehead looks a lot smoother as far as fine lines. So I add this to 1 cup of coffee every day. So it's 7:45 and I just made them eggs. That's usually when I start making them their breakfast. They start getting a little cranky. So these are the eggs I get from Trader Joe's, the organic jumbo free range eggs. And then I put some cheese in their eggs. If they don't eat something, if I add a little cheese, they usually eat it. And then I cut up a kiwi for them. I got these from Trader Joe's as well. They had kiwi at a restaurant we were at. It was in their little cup of fruit and loved it. So I'm hoping that they eat it again. So here's their eggs. They put their little eggs on a little plate and then mix some cheese in it. And I feel like whenever I make 1 egg, they scarf it down. And I'm like, oh shoot, I should have made 2 eggs. And then when I make 2 eggs, they don't even eat it. But you like the kiwi? Oh no, you're throwing it all to Kyla. That's for you. Kiwi. Why you don't like it? Oh no. Let's not throw it down to Kyla. That's for you. Okay, no, Violet. And then I usually give them 1 of these each for whatever thing they're eating. They love them, and it's a really easy way to give them fruit and veggies. And also another good thing to take with you on the go. I've been getting these ones because they're only $1 right now at Albertsons, so I stock up. So it's almost 9 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything yet. I'm gonna have this right now. I'm doing a ton of laundry and I'm putting it all away in our bedroom, and the girls are content playing with some toys. So I'm just gonna eat this, try to get that done. Babies are back out here eating their leftovers. I still haven't eaten anything else. Story of my life. Hi, cutie. These girls eat like queens. Cheese, yeah, cheese. I'm almost done putting away laundry. Got some towels to put away, and then I'm done finally. I'm gonna make fajitas for dinner tonight. That's why I have the crock pot out. I'm gonna do that maybe like around lunchtime. I'll get that going. What? You want more of that? Okay. It's 11:30 and we just got back from Marshall's and the post office. And I'm starving, clearly, since I've only had a Kind bar. I'm gonna have this salad from Trader Joe's. These are nice to have every now and then because they're easy for days like today where I don't have time to cook lunch. So I'm gonna have this, and then this is leftover pesto chicken that I made in the crock pot yesterday. I just put this pesto sauce that again from Trader Joe's and just basically let it sit in the crock pot with some butter. So I'm gonna cut that up. And then over here, I threw these 2 chicken breasts in earlier. Whoa. And then I already have peppers and onions cut up. I did that yesterday to prep. Hey, Yay! Just so I could save time today. So I'll stick those in just a little bit. Then I gotta get them in their high chairs pretty soon because it's almost time for them to eat. What are you doing? Are you hiding in the corner? You're cute, honey. Say, who do you think I am? Do you guys know who I am? Say, am I June or am I Violet? You're Junie. You're Junie. So here's that salad. Look how huge it is. It doesn't look like it's that big in that container, but it is so much. And then for them, for their lunch, I got some corn, some sweet potatoes, and then some leftover pasta. I love this stuff. I like it for myself because it's a really great gluten-free pasta and it has a ton of protein. So I've been giving it to them too because I do get them the Annie's mac and cheese. So I don't really want to give them so much rice. So this is a good thing to kind of alternate. And then lately, well, first I just put a little butter in it, but now I put just a regular pasta sauce and they really like it. And then they have some leftover pouches that they'll have too. Are you ready to eat? Where are you going? Whoa. Okay, I just took out the onions and peppers and threw all of those in. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil in here and then I'm gonna season everything with salt, pepper, garlic, cumin, onion powder, and maybe some oregano. So I'll do that and then just let that sit. Usually I use chicken broth, but I'm out, so I might add a little water. The girls finally went down for a nap. It's 12:30. I mixed everything together in here, all the peppers, onions, spices. I just got this package in the mail from Spella, is that how you pronounce it? And they're these liquid lipsticks, but they're non-toxic and vegan and also cruelty-free. And it's a mess in here too. Let me show you really quick what I got from Marshall's. If you don't care, you can fast forward. I got this picture frame that I absolutely love. Very like French looking, which is the style I love. And then I got some of these paper plates. I really like having paper plates on hand. And then they had a million of these, so I got a few of them. How much were these? $2.39. And I got a pair of Adidas. Let me pull these out. I've been looking for a gray pair of workout shoes. And honestly, I was even looking at Adidas and I walked right in and these are right there. I was like, wow, it's meant to be. And they were, how much are they? $39. So I was pretty excited. And they're really comfortable. So very excited about these. I have been really liking just wearing like workout shoes with what I'm wearing right now. So I just have like a hoodie on and some distressed jeans. So I feel like I scored with that. Time to clean this mess, and then when the girls wake up, I'm gonna take them over to my parents' house. Okay, 1 o'clock, and I'm forcing myself to drink all of this water. And my reward for cleaning is some coffee. I just poured whatever was left in there. There's actually some more in there. And some coconut milk. Let me show you the kind that I love. I've shown this a bunch. Wait, did I just put almond milk in? Ah, crap, I did. Okay, that's what I like. I like this coconut milk. It is 2 o'clock and I got ready finally. It feels really good when you finally put some makeup on. I have a little bit of coffee left. I'm gonna drink every last bit of that. I'm finishing up the fajitas. I'm gonna take that to go over to my parents because they always bring food over to our house. I figured I would bring food to their house for once. Violet's awake. She's back there watching Moana, drinking her bottle. June is almost awake, I think. So I'm gonna get everything ready for the girls, pack us all up, and then we will head over to Mimi and Grandpa's. Hi, honey. This is kind of turning into like a day in the life, but I know you guys like those, so maybe I'll make my what I eat in a day videos more like this. Let me know what you think. All right, here's what it looks like in here. I added a little bit of salsa just to give it a little bit more flavoring. And everything is looking so good. I just used a wooden spoon to break up the chicken and it smells really delicious. The onions and peppers really add a ton of flavor to it, so I feel like you don't even need that many spices. I love doing the crock pot now because I can kind of do it whenever I have spare time instead of, you know, having to do everything all at once at night when the girls are usually the crankiest. So This is a new go-to for me at my parents' house. Let me show you this tea I'm having. Right. Is it Puka? Is that how you pronounce it, Mom? Turmeric Glow. The only other brand I've tried of this one, I think, is Rose something, and it was really good. Oh, I love it. So I'm gonna have some of that. And this mug is from Fish's Eddy in New York. It's so cute. We'll have to watch it. This looks cool. They have been eating so much. They have cheese and corn in their pouches. They were chugging water and taking her cheese. They were eating, what else did you guys eat? I don't know, a whole lot. Strawberries. And then here's our dinner. So we got salad. And our little fajitas with salsa. What? Oh, you want your water? Okay. Alright, a little vino, chips.
Wait, back row.
They're watching the Lakers game.
It was like the main row.
Hey!
Hey!
Look who's back!
Making another appearance. They couldn't get away from the
Was he a big
camera.
star in the last
Dang,
one?
I wasn't Yes.
Huge star.
Oh,
Yes.
gee, you gotta watch it.
Basketball days.
He's biggest star.
As soon as I put the camera on him, he lit up.
Okay, guys, so Andrew actually cooked for them, which is awesome, but I ate at my parents' house, obviously. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later.